Hey my lovelies, welcome back to Ncha's kitchen. In today's video we are making something super special. If you have ever ordered Nkwobi at a joint and paid a huge amount of money for 4 tiny pieces of meat, this video is for you. There's got to be a better way. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make creamy restaurant style Nkwobi right in your kitchen in less than 10 minutes. These are the ingredients I will be using. The longest part of making Nkwobi is boiling the cow foot until it is soft. So to save us all 2 hours of watching a pot boil, I already cooked and deboned this off camera. I boiled it with onions, seasoning cube and salt. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back. If you have watched this video to this point, please subscribe, hit that like button and share with your loved ones. Now for the magic sauce. We call it Ncha in Igbo. In a clean pot, pour in your palm oil, then slowly add in your potash water, or Akanwu in Igbo. I'm using Ngo, which is dried palm held water, and stir to thicken up into a rich yellow paste. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. And then add in your seasoning cube. Ugba and mix to combine. Next, going with salt, crayfish, onions and mix to combine. Next, add in your blended Ehuru, pepper and shredded cow foot, and mix thoroughly to combine. Finally, add in your utazi leaf and mix again. Next, take this to the cooker and put it on a low heat for about 60 to 90 seconds. We are not cooking it, we are just warming it up. If we leave it on a high heat, the oil will separate and turn back to red oil. And just like that, our creamy Nkwobi is ready to serve. So soft, so rich, perfectly spicy. Do yourself a favor, try this pre-prep shortcut and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. If you love this video, hit that like button, subscribe and share with your loved ones for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye.